We would like to introduce you to Eurodita wooden doors, used in the production of garden houses. Doors can be single, 100% glass, can be half glazed too. We also produce double doors. All our doors can be made in different dimensions. Eurodita doors have a 6-pin Euro cylinder lock. To lock our doors from the inside, all you have to do is lift the handle of the door upwards and the door will be locked. Simple. The same procedure of pushing the handle downwards, the door is unlocked. Eurodita doors have multi-point locking with 5 locking points. Eurodita doors have heavy-duty, fully adjustable hinges. Eurodita doors have top-quality rubber sealing. Private label log structures made simple by Eurodita. We produce wooden doors of the highest quality from Glulam Siberian wood.